Okay, another much needed upgrade that was done by us here at Code 10 Garage. LED headlights. These are just headlight bulbs. I'll provide the link in the description for these headlight bulbs, and I'll explain what's great about these ones. But here we go. That's just the regular. That's not highlight, that's not anything, that's just the regular one. And that's in the day. Okay, shining in my garage. I've even done the fog lights and everything. But what I really liked about these particular ones, I'll show you. Okay, so these are the old stock bulbs, and you see how they come in there at that 90 and everything. What I liked about this LED bulb set, is that it came with the highlight and the low light, and they're exactly like this. They come out and they have that 90, okay, and they even have cooling fans. Now, well, the problem I had with other ones that I was getting, let's see if we can get in here. Oh, there's a kit all inside there. So when I was putting the bulbs in, you can see you can see the bulb right there and everything, how it fits in, and it does not hit this right here down there. Other bulbs that I tried putting inside would hit, and I couldn't get the headlight housing all the way in to sit flush, whereas with these, they are literally a direct fit and don't hit anything. And they have the little connectors. The bulb just bundled up in there, but hey, they work. And they're great. They're really good for driving at night. Vision and everything is a lot better, easier to see everything and everything. They're great. So I'll show you. I'll provide a link in the description for these headlights, and probably try to show you some pictures of what they look like and everything. Okay, another Code 10 Garage update on the Suburban. Another much needed update or upgrade that I recommend for everybody to do. Well, granted, it's your choice if you want to do it or not, but LED interior lights. These are amazing. There, I'll turn it off and I'll turn it on. There you go. So this is a kit that I got off of Amazon. I'll provide the link in the description below for that. It even comes with the ones for the mirror here, so you can have LEDs in there. It's wonderful. It was easy. You can do a YouTube search on how to pop all the individual plastics off to switch out and access the bulbs and switch them out and everything. And I'll provide the link to the bulb kit that I got in the description below and everything. And this is one thing that I highly recommend you do. It really does change the interior of the vehicle. I mean, you may not like it because you'll see all the trash I mean, how dirty the interior is, but hey, it's great. I like it. So these are the bulbs that I used for the puddle lights and the license plate lights. I'll put a description or the link in the description where I got these. These are nothing special. They're just Amazon specials, but come in a pack of 10. You can buy them individually, I think, but I opted for the pack of 10. It was highly recommended to me by my brother. So I was like, hey, why not? And so far, they're going good. I like them. They shine way brighter than the halogens that I had on here. And hey, can't complain about that. Okay, so with all the lighting upgrades that I've done on the Suburban, figured this would be the best way to give you guys everyone a night shot of what it looks like with all LED upgrades. So here we go. Got the LED reverse lights and license plate lights, the puddle light underneath over there, and the sorry about the wind. There, that's the headlights. That's how it is down. With the interior lights, you can see the interior lights a little bit. But yeah, from night and even with the street lights, it lights up pretty good.